It's easier than you think to completely rewire the way you go about doing hard things. And in just 4 steps, I'll tell you exactly how you can do this starting right now. So make this the last video you watch right now. Focus up for a few minutes, and I promise this will change the way you look on the next upcoming days in your life. So, the first mindset, which I thought about years ago, but I never really applied, but it always stuck with me because of how effective and simple it is. The mindset goes like, if there's something that you want to do, which takes less than 5 minutes, just do it now. And if it doesn't, if it takes more than 5 minutes, just plan on it. The more I thought about this and actually did this mindset, the more I killed my procrastination. Because there's so many things which I feel like I was thinking would take a lot longer than it actually did. But when I end up doing the task, it takes 2 minutes. Something like putting the laundry back where my closet is, or moving something off my desk. Like I was moving this fan that was on my desk for the summer. Now it's getting warmer, there's acorns and stuff, but it just took me 30 seconds to unplug it and put it back in the closet. Or it takes 2 minutes to start the laundry. It takes 2 minutes to pick up the trash, to clean my room, sort it out. It takes 1 minute to step outside and start going on a run or start working out. And if it's something that takes longer, I could just spend those 5 minutes planning on how I can go about it. I'll say it again so you can write it down too. If it takes less than 5 minutes to do it. If not, plan on it. The second thing you can do is to eat the frog. And what this means is doing that hard task as soon as possible in the morning. Whatever that thing you might be procrastinating on or you might be putting off, whatever that hard part of the day feels like, the earlier you can do it in your day, the more productive you will feel in general. And when you just knock it out in the beginning of the day, you have the whole rest of the day to do whatever you want instead of to constantly be worrying and thinking about it. It's one of the reasons why I love going to the gym in the morning, because I do it right away. It's easy for me to get it done. And that's when you have the most time or energy, because it's right in the day, you haven't done anything else. So you can just spend all your focus and energy doing that task. And the third step to completely destroy your procrastination, your laziness, whatever you want it to be, is, well, what was it? Uh-oh. It was to think about, would your future self care about what you did? If your future self saw yourself watching this video, how would they be happy that you watched this video? If you applied something, if you started doing something right away, if you wrote down something, if you made this the last video you watch right now, try something, or just go on and watch another video, completely forget about me and that this whole video existed. What would your future self care about? What would your future self care about you did? Those chores, the less than 5 minutes tasks. You went to the gym, you planned out something. Or would your future self care about that you did nothing, you just scrolled all day? Like, obviously, your future self would care about the good things you do. You'll feel better, your life will feel more organized. You'll feel on top of things. The fourth bonus thing is a mindset that can help sometimes, but it doesn't work 100% of the time, but it can help, which is do now, think later. Do now, worry later. So if you're like, oh, I don't want to go to the gym, I don't feel like doing this, but it's good, it's beneficial for you, just walk through it. It's crazy how much you can trick your brain just by doing it. So many times I'm running for soccer practice, or I'm working out and I'm like, oh, like I could just end it now or I could just keep going. I try not to even think because when I just do it, I think like, oh, I'm done. Let's go. I'm so happy I did that. It could be right now too. Right now, I'm just making this video. I'm not thinking about anything really else. I'm just doing this, and then I'll think about, oh, did I feel like doing that? Did I want to do this exactly later? If you want to surround yourself with more like-minded people who want to grow and get better, I have a free community with thousands of people inside, all pushing each other, holding each other accountable, sharing ideas to grow. So join that in the description if you're interested. I'll see you later. Goodbye.